Shanghai Hongqiao International Airport domestic hot water project utilizes optimal commercial volumetric gas water heaters featuring precision direct supply technology designed for flexible indoor-outdoor installation. These units reliably meet the hot water demands of small to medium businesses including hotels, food spas, and swimming pools, worry-free after-sales service, multi-scenario application support, diverse models for customized water heating solutions, dedicated service where excellence is in the details, tailored configurations for specialized requirements. Your warmth, our unwavering commitment.